I think the biggest problem on Uthando Nesembo is the fact that they have been trying to do a reality show and show us their lives, but they've had secrets in the process. So sometimes it's hard to understand the storyline fully because you feel like they are not revealing everything, and they are not explaining it so the viewer can get a full picture and understand what's going on. One of the examples is the DNA situation. Where does it come from? Because it is not normal for people to just be saying it's a rule in the family that before we accept a child, we will do DNA. Where does that come from? And I still believe that the originator of this whole thing is Musa Msiliku, but he does not want to say. And I also don't understand because he always exposes his wife. If a wife has said something about the other wife, one day Musa Msiliku will expose that wife. He will throw that wife under the bus. So I don't understand why they don't basically just do the same. If he has said it, why don't they say it? Or is it the edit that is at their disadvantage, that when he is exposing them, they put it on the show, but when they're exposing him, they don't put it on the show? There's something that is not adding up for me this season. Then, you guys, Umangwabe Noma Kumalo, they said to have a conversation. The reason for the sit down was that Selig was not communicating with Makumalo. Makumalo had blocked him because Makumalo says that Seligo talks a lot. He would just say too much. So sometimes she can't deal with it. So she blocks him. So in order for him to be able to communicate with Makumalo, he decided that he was going to ask Umangwabe to he was going to ask Umangwabe to go and speak to Makumalo for him and basically tell her what his issues were. But the problem with the sending of the message is that in the message there was no apology, there was no I'm sorry, and also there was no tell her I love her. It was only Makumalo was willing to listen to what Mangwabe had to say, even though she understood that she had been sent by Musamselego. I also think Makumalo is a good listener. She never interrupts Mangabe ukhuluma naye. She listens and then she talks. So a conversation yabo went well. And Umangwa was able to say point by point what Umseligu was trying to say to Umakumalo. And but one thing that she talked about was that Mselego feels like Umakumalo wants to take a position yokuba umamkhulu. She says ukuthi the reason efila kanjalo Mselego is because previously Umselego will be dating women. So Umselego has had girlfriends, and with each and every girlfriend that he had, Umakumalo will have knowledge of that girlfriend because uyena obechaza ukuthi sekunobani wakabani kanjani and all of that. The only girlfriend that Umakumalo didn't know about was Umakwela. Now, that conversation Amangwabe Nomakumalo leads to Umakumalo saying, remember that I never had an issue with Umseligu taking another wife. But at some point, I did say to him, do you not want to leave this thing of taking a new wife now? Because one, you're getting old. Two, you are a respected man, and to be running around with girls, running up and down with girls, it's not a good look for you, you know. And she says that Selego had said that he also wanted to leave the whole thing of taking number 5, and he wanted to abandon the idea, but he felt like he is now stuck because there is now a child, but he wanted to abandon the idea. Khumalo says that's the time that she remembers trying to influence him to not take number 5, but before that she had no problem with it, and this was after Umseleko had said abahambayo. So because she realized that now they had abandoned their vision of building a family now. Like what they were trying to do before, so the vision had changed. So she did try to say to Umseleko, can you just abandon this whole number 5 situation? It's the wrong time, you're getting old, it doesn't look good. And Umseleko said, I wish that I could abandon the idea. Now, you guys, another thing that is mentioned in this conversation is the fact that there had been other people that that Umseleko had tried to recruit to join the family. And he says that Khumalo says benomangwabe uMakhwela uthathwe ngoba she was the one that agreed. So uMangwabe was the only one that agreed to join his team. So it wasn't a matter of Umseleko met a girl, fell in love, and really wanted her to be part of the family. It was like he was just looking for anybody that will agree to the idea. And you guys, if you've been watching Uthando Nesimbu, Vele, it felt like that, because there was never a time when Umseleko talked about uMakhwela. There was Umabani, there was a doctor girl. Umabani. I remember, you guys. I remember even doing a video because somebody that was related to that girl had told me a story to say, as a family from this girl's family, Mamtolo, from this girl's family, they were shocked to find out Umseleko is talking about Mamtolo, because Mamtolo is, they knew Umseleko Mamtolo, but Mamtolo was a very young girl, a doctor, and they were like, why would you say yes to Iketla? And Mamtolo said, no, I never said yes. He wants me to be, but I never said yes. There was Mamtolo. There was also another Makhumalo that he had spoken about. There was never a time where he spoke about Umakhwela. Umakhwela was like out of the blue, you know. So they are saying, Umangwabe no Makhumalo, they are of the opinion that Umseleko was no longer looking for a wife. Amthandai. He was just looking for it could have been anybody that would have said yes to the idea of joining the family, and he would have taken that person. So it was not about love, it was about the person that would agree to the idea, and Umakhwela was that person. So now, basically, they are saying that Umakhwela is not loved. She is just taken to do, which Vele is what Umseleko has expressed. The only thing you are here for, that's it. Okay. Anyways, you guys, now, if they had this conversation at a round table where Umseleko was there, it would be better, because we would really understand. We would really like get his, even though he will try to gaslight them, but we will get an idea of how he feels about this situation. Because if he is asked about it with diary and they are not there, he will just lie and say, so there's a lot that happens, you guys, that like a part of a conversation that took place, but they don't give a background, and then they don't follow up on that conversation, so it leaves us hanging with her. So Umakhwela was not and then nanokuthi Umakhumalo, and I do think that this contributes to how upset she is. She knew about the other girlfriends, and I think that the reason that Umacele pushed for Umakhwela is because Umakhumalo did not know about Umakhwela. So it was almost like Umacele is like, let me make you feel what you make us feel when you befriend the girlfriends. So I will push for the one that you're not gonna like to be the one that joins the family, you know. So I feel like that is part of the reason why Macele is for Makwela. It's because Makwela was the one girlfriend that Makhumalo didn't know about. And when she knew about it, she did not agree for her to be taken. And Macele was looking for that opportunity to say, because Macele before has said that I do not like it when Makhumalo becomes friends with the girlfriends. I don't think that as a wife, you should be friends with girlfriends. You should only be friends with somebody when they are wives. There's no reason for a wife to be a friend with girlfriends. So it's a lot that is going on. The conversation, Kama Khumalo Nomseligo, I feel like tonight's episode will... not tonight's episode. There's no tonight's episode. Next week's episode will kind of wrap it up. Because Makhumalo went to that conversation saying, I don't want to say much because I don't want this conversation to turn left. And I want to listen more. But I don't feel like Umseligo is saying any... Umseligo is that man that will never take accountability and say, in this situation, this is what I did wrong. So this is why